Golden Snitch Cake Pops. Let's prepare all the food ingredients with magic. 2 large eggs. 100 milliliters food color mist. 300 milliliters melted chocolate. 1 cup cream cheese. 1 cup all flour. 1 cup of sugar. 1 stick butter. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add some butter now. Whip the stick of butter until it's softened. Nice! Some sweet sugar. Sweet! Pour some flour into the bowl. Some baking powder. Beautiful! A little bit of vanilla extract. It smells so good! 2 large eggs. Beautiful! I know what I want. Let's mix it up. Great choice. Well done! Simply pour the cake batter into a baking pan. Let's smooth the cake batter. Beautiful! Good job! Fabulous! Sweet! Delicious! YOLO! Great choice! Love it! Now bake your food about 30 minutes. Well done! It smells so good! Let's remove the cake mold. Let's remove the burnt surface of the cake. Wonderful! Let's remove the cake mold. Spoon some cream cheese into the cake crumbs. YOLO! Well done! Let's make some cake balls with a meatball spoon. Good! See all those lovely sticks? Choose your favorite. Great choice! Let's Dip the cake pot into the melted chocolate. Wow, so nice! Let's drag the cake pop onto the stand.
Lovely!
Now, paint the golden snitch pattern onto the cake pop.
Lovely!
Let's spray the color mist onto the cake pop. Good. Wow, so many lovely wings. Choose the one you like. Delicious! Now paint the wings with a piping bag. Assemble the chocolate wings onto the cake pop.
Well done!
Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food. Oh yeah!
I can't wait to try it!